Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the Lawmate Keychain Audio Recorder. This clever audio recorder is hidden within the body of a normal looking keyless entry remote for your vehicle. This makes the perfect device for many people since you can easily attach it to your keyring without drawing a whole lot of attention. That way it's always with you when you need it the most. This recorder is incredibly versatile with its voice activation and long battery life. Now next up, I'm going to show you guys how to actually use it and give you a demonstration of how the device performs in our retail storefront. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the KeyFob Audio Recorder. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you today in our storefront, and to do these tests we have to start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. So located on the front of the device, there's three buttons. The top unlock button actually turns the unit on, so if I hold it down for about 2 seconds, you're going to feel the unit vibrate, and if I remove this cap on the bottom, you'll actually see a blue light on. Now this light is only visible when this actual back piece is off. To start a recording, you press and hold this middle like alarm button for about 2 seconds. You're going to feel the unit vibrate again, and then if I swing it down here, you're going to see a red light on. That red light tells you that you're actually recording. Excellent. So now all of the audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the device itself. Now to give you a size and scope of our store, it's 20 feet wide by 30 feet long. The first test we're going to do for you guys today is a conversation test, and for that test I'm going to put the KeyFob audio recorder in my pocket. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio quality of our recorders. This test is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. And for our next test, we're going to take the KeyFob audio recorder and put it on the shelf. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a quality demonstration at 20 feet. And finally, the KeyFob audio recorder at 30 feet. The 2 GB of internal memory will store up to 30 hours of recordings before needing to be cleared. To recharge the internal battery or listen to the recordings, you simply plug the keychain directly into your computer with the provided cable. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.